Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Alicia Datapucha. I am a student of University 19 November Kolaka English Education Study Program Class of 2024. In this video, I will make question using to do, to be, to have and 9WH question for verbs of activities in the kitchen. First, cook. Do you cook every day? Does she cook for her family? Did they cook dinner yesterday? Am I cooking every day? Is she cooking lunch? Are they cooking together? Was she cooking rice every day? Were you cooking alone last night? Have you cooked enough food? Has she cooked for you before? What do you cook for dinner? Who is cooking in the kitchen now? Where are you they cooking right now? When did you learn to cook? How did she cook it so quickly? Why do you cook every day? Which student cooked the best dish? Whom do you usually cook with? Whose turn is it to cook tonight? Next, fry. Do you want to fry French fries? Does she fry eggs for breakfast? Did they fry the chicken yesterday? Am I frying it the right way? Is she frying an egg? Are they frying fish for dinner? Was she frying the chicken? Were they frying the fish? Have you fried the fish yet? Has he fried an egg perfectly? Had you fried it before I arrived? What do you fry for breakfast? Who is frying in the kitchen? Where can we fry food safely? When are they frying the fish? Why are they frying so much food? How much oil do you need to fry chicken wings? Which seasoning do you use before frying? Whom did you ask for tips to fry chicken? Whose frying skill do you admire? Next, peel. Do you want to peel a banana? Does he want to peel banana? Did they peel the bananas last night? Am I peeling an onion? Is she peeling onions in the kitchen? Are they peeling onions in the kitchen? Was she peeling garlic in the kitchen? Were you peeling garlic in the kitchen? Have you peeled the carrot? Has she peeled the carrots? Have I peeled the carrots? What do you use to peel a pineapple? What are you peeling? Who peeled the cucumber? When did you learn to peel fruit and vegetable? Where do you want to peel a mango? Why are you peeling that orange? How do you peel a banana? Which fruit did you peel first? Whose job is it to peel the potatoes? Whom do you trust to peel the vegetable? Next, bake. Do you want to bake bread? Does she want to bake a cake? Did she bake a cake yesterday? Am I baking a chicken? Is she baking a cookies? Are they baking cheese bread? Was she baking Christmas cookies? Were you baking a cake? Have you baked the bread? Has she baked the bread? Had I baked the bread? What do you usually bake at home? Who baked this bread? When did you last bake a cake? Where can I bake a cake? Why did you choose to bake this? How do you bake this bread? Which cake did you bake yesterday? Whom did you bake the cake for? Whose recipe did you use to bake this bread? Next, cut. Do you cut vegetable every day? Does she cut vegetable? Did he cut the vegetable this morning? Am I cutting the tomatoes correctly? Is she cutting fruit every morning? Are they cutting the chicken? Was she cutting chicken every night? Were we cutting vegetable? Have you cut the potato? Has she cut the vegetable? Had they cut the vegetables? What do you use to cut vegetables? Who cut the vegetable for the soup? Where should I cut the fish? When did you cut the tomatoes? Why are you cutting these fruits right now? How do you cut an onion without crying? Which knife should I use to cut the vegetables? Whom are you helping to cut the bread? Whose knife is the sharpest for cutting meat? Next, steam. Do you want to steam dumplings? Does she want to steam dumplings? Did they steam the dumplings yesterday? And am I steaming rice? Is she steaming rice? Are we steaming rice? Was she steaming sweet potatoes? Were they steaming sweet potatoes? Have you steamed the dim sum? Has she steamed the dim sum? Had I steamed the dim sum? What are you steaming? Who steamed the rice this morning? When do you steam rice? Where do you usually steam dumplings? Why do you want to steam dumplings? How do they steam rice? Which kitchen tools is best for steaming food? Whose recipe is used for steaming dumplings? Whom do you trust to make perfect steamed dumplings? Next, mix. Do you want to mix all the ingredients? Does you want to mix all the ingredients? Did you want to mix all the ingredients last week? Am I mixing the butter correctly? Are they mixing marinade for chicken? Is she mixing marinade for chicken? Was she mixing all the ingredients? Were you mixing all the ingredients? Have you mixed the marinade? Has she mixed the marinade? Had we mixed the marinade? What should I mix first in this recipe? Who usually helps you mix the butter? Where you usually mix ingredients? When do you usually mix ingredients? Why do you want to mix milk and flour? How do you mix milk and flour? Which one do you choose to mix first? Which bowl do you use to mix the butter? Whose turn is it to mix the ingredients? Whom did you teach to mix the butter? Next, grate. Do you want to grate cheese? Does she want to grate cheese today? Did we grate cheese last night? Am I grating ginger in the kitchen? Is she grating ginger? Are they grating ginger in the kitchen? Was she grating coconut in the kitchen? Were you grating coconut in the kitchen? What do you use to grate cheese? Who grate this cheese? Where do you usually grate the cheese? When will they grate coconuts? Why do you need to grate the coconut? How do you grate ginger? Which cheese do you want to grate first? Whom did they assist to grate the carrots? Whose carrots are these that need grating? Next, turn on. Do you always turn on the stove before cooking? Does she turn on the stove all the time? Did you turn on the stove last night? Am I turning on the stove? Is she turning on the stove now? Are they turning on the stove? The oven? Was she turning on the oven? Were you turning on the oven now? Has she turned on the microwave? Have you turned on the microwave? Had they turned on the microwave? What do you need to turn on the stove? Who forgot to turn on the coffee maker this morning? Where do I turn on the blender? When will you turn on the microwave? Why do you need to turn on the oven now? How do you turn on the stove safely? Which button should I turn on to start the blender? Whom did you ask to turn on the stove? Whose turn is it to turn on the stove? Next, scoop. Do you scoop sugar into a glass? Does he scoop the coffee into the glass? Did they scoop sugar into the glass this morning? Am I scooping out too much rice? Is she scooping too much rice? Are you scooping too much rice? Were you scooping ice cream? Was she scooping ice cream? Have you spooned enough rice on your plate? Has she spooned enough rice on your plate? Had she spooned enough rice on your table? Not table, plate. Had she spooned enough rice on your plate? What do you use to scoop? Who scoops too much rice? Where do they usually scoop sugar? When are we going to scoop rice? Why do they scoop the coffee in the cup? How to scoop rice so that it doesn't spill? Which one do you want to scoop first? Whom do you ask to spoon the sugar? Whose flour do you want to scoop? Next, saute. Do you saute vegetable for breakfast? Does she saute vegetable for breakfast? Did she saute vegetable for dinner yesterday? Am I sauteing onions? Is he sauteing onions? Are they sauteing onions? Was she sauteing spinach? Were you sauteing spinach? Have they sauteed the vegetable? Has she sauteed the vegetable seasoning? Had you sauteed the vegetable? What ingredients do you saute in the kitchen? Who sauteed this mushroom? Where do you usually saute speech? When do they usually choose to saute? Why is she always sauteing vegetable? How to saute speeches properly? Which pen should I use to saute the vegetable? Whom did you learn to saute from? Whose saute pen should I borrow? Next, drain. Do you drain the oil first? Did he drain the oil first? Does he drain the oil first? Did they drain the oil first last night? Am I draining the pasta into the right container? Are they draining the pasta properly before serving it? Is she draining the pasta properly before serving it? Was she draining the fish water? Were you draining the vegetable water? What do you need to be dried in the kitchen? Who wants to drain this vegetable water? Where do we drain the oil? When will you drain the oil? Why did they choose to drain this? How to use a strainer to drain the oil? Whose strainer did you borrow to drain the oil? Which one do you want to drain first? Whom did you borrow the colander before draining the oil? Next, poach. Do you poach egg for breakfast? Did you poach any fish yesterday? Does he poach animals in the jungle? Am I poaching sweet potatoes? Is she poaching the eggs perfectly? Are they poaching the eggs perfectly? Was she poaching the chicken last night? Were they poaching the meatballs for dinner? Have they boiled the eggs? Have they poached the eggs? Has she poached the eggs? Have we poached the eggs? What do you usually poach for breakfast? Who taught you how to poach food? Where did you learn to poach egg? When did you last poach some fish? Why did you choose to poach the sweet potato? How do you poach a perfect egg? Which fruit are you commonly poached for dessert? Whom did you see poaching the eggs? Whose eggs did they poach? Next, sprinkle. Do you sprinkle sugar on your cereal every morning? Does he sprinkle cinnamon on his coffee? Did she sprinkle some salt on the salad? Am I sprinkling too much salt? Is he sprinkling oil on the salad? Are we sprinkling too much salt? Was she sprinkling salt on the popcorn? Were they sprinkling flour on the dog? Have they sprinkled some sugar on the donuts? Has she sprinkled some salt on the fries? Had you sprinkled salt before baking the bread? What did you sprinkle on the cake? Who sprinkles salt on vegetable? Where do you usually sprinkle sugar? When will we sprinkle salt on the bread? Why we should sprinkle salt in vegetable? How do they sprinkle it? Which ingredients should I sprinkle on the salad? Whom did she ask to sprinkle some oil on the vegetable? Whose spoon are you using to sprinkle the sugar on the cake? Next, milk. Do you want to melt the ice? Does she want to melt the ice cream? Did they want to melt the ice cream last week? Am I melting the chocolate too much? Is the ice melting in the glass? Are the snowflakes melting already? Was she melting the chocolate too much? Were you watching in the ice melting? Have you melted the chocolate for the cake? Has the butter melted yet? Have you melted the wax? What makes ice cream melt? Who caused the ice to melt? Where can I see ice melting? When will the ice melt completely? Why does ice melt faster in warm water? How can you stop the ice from melting too fast? Which type of chocolate melts best? Whose ice is melting in the sun? Whom are you waiting for to melt the butter? Next, marinate. Do you marinate the chicken before cooking? Does she marinate the vegetable in olive oil? Did you marinate the fish overnight? Am I marinating the meat for 24 hours? Is she marinating the vegetable for the salad? Are they marinating the fish in a lemon sauce? Was she marinating the meat with garlic and rosemary? Were you marinating the shrimp? Have you marinated the beef yet? Has she marinated the fish for dinner tonight? Had she marinated the fish overnight? What do you marinate the chicken with? Who do you want to marinate this chicken? When will we marinate the fish? Where do you usually marinate your fish? Why did you choose to marinate the beef? How do they marinate the steak? Which sauce do you marinate the shrimp in? Whom are you inviting to help marinating? Marinate the meat. Whose recipe did you follow to marinate the fish? Next, dip. Do you dip your bread in salt? Does she dip her chicken wings in hot sauce? Did you dip the chicken the marinade last night? Am I dipping tea in a glass? Is he dipping tea in a glass? Are we dipping tea in a glass? Was she dipping the fried chicken in sauce? Were you dipping fried chicken in sauce? Have you dipped the crackers into cheese yet? Has he dipped the toast in jam already? Had you dipped the toast in egg before frying it? How? What do you dip your bread in? Who is dipping the tea in the glass? Where did you dip the vegetable? When did you dip the bread in butter? Why did you dip your toast in jam? How will you dip your toast in the egg? Which fruit do you dip in chocolate? Whom do you dip the bread in the sauce for? Whose cookies do you dip in milk? Next, boil. Do you boil water in the kitchen every morning? Does he boil water in the kitchen? Did I boil water in the kitchen last night? Am I boiling the water for too long? Is he boiling the water for too long? Are they boiling the water for too long? Was the water boiling when you added the noodles? Were you boiling the soup when I called? Have you boiled the egg yet? Has she boiled the soup long enough? Had you boiled the spaghetti before adding the sauce? What is the best way to boil water quickly? Who taught you how to boil eggs perfectly? Where do you boil the egg? When do you need to boil the pasta? Why does it take longer to boil frozen food? How can you tell when the water is boiling? Which pan should I use to boil the eggs? Whom did you ask to boil the water for tea? Whose turn is it to boil the potatoes for dinner? Next, scorch. Do you scorch your food? Does he scorch your food every morning? Did they scorch your food last night? Am I scorching your fries? Is he scorching his fried chicken? Are they scorching the fried chicken? Were you scorching your fried rice? Was he scorching his fried rice? Have you checked if the food has scorched in the oven? Has he scorched his fried onions? Had he scorched his fried onions? What causes your food to scorch in the pan? Who makes our food scorch? Where do you usually scorch food? When do you usually scorch food? Why do they often scorch food? How to avoid scorching food? Which pan do you use to prevent food from scorching? Whom did you follow for advice on preventing scorched cookies? Whose pan do you use to avoid scorching the eggs? Let's pour. Do you pour the seasoning into the dish? Does he pour the seasoning into the dish? Did I pour the seasoning into the dish this morning? Am I pouring the soup into the wrong bowl? Are you pouring the coffee? Is he pouring enough water? Was he pouring the sauce into the pasta before serving? Were they pouring the sauce over the pasta before serving? Have you poured the sugar into the cake before butter yet? Has he poured the milk into her coffee yet? Have you poured the oil into the pan? What did you pour into the glass? Who poured the juice for the kids? Where did you pour the coffee? When did she pour the water into the bowl? Why are you pouring so much milk into the cereal? How much wine did he pour for the guests? Which glass should I pour the wine into? Who are whom? Whom are you going to pour the coffee for? Whose water did you pour into the bottle? Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.